back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2017. This is my first video this year, so I'm going to be doing a braid out using ENTWINE Couture products. And yeah, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So the products I'm using are the famous cream jelly styler, the Aphrodisia 9 leave-in, they're both 100% raw and vegan, and the exotic buttercream hydrator. So I'm starting on freshly finger detangled hair, and as you can see my hair is in sections. These are the sections I will be working in, and I'm starting from the back. I spray some water on a section, then I work the water in to make sure my hair is damp and soft. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet, you just want it to be damp. Then I apply the Aphrodisia 9 leave-in. I really love this leave-in conditioner because it makes your hair so soft and it has amazing slip for finger detangling. You can actually use that leave-in to do a regular detangling session any day if you want to. So next I'm using the buttercream hydrator, and as you guys can see, this is the first time I'm using this product, like I'm literally just opening them, so this is a true first impression. It's really creamy, like it's really true to the name. So yeah, I apply a generous amount and it is really good at adding moisture to your hair. Next I'm going to use the cream jelly styler. So this is the official styler, and I apply a generous amount, especially at the ends. These three products together work really well to give your hair that softness, so your hair is easy to manipulate, so they are perfect for braid outs and twist outs. So once I get to the end of my braid, I apply more of the cream jelly styler to smooth out the ends. Then I just twist my hair around on a perm rod. Later on in the video, you will see I changed the perm rods to the smaller sizes. But yeah, that's just the basic process. So next I'm doing another section, and as you can see this section is bigger than the one I did before. Normally I do 10 sections, 5 on one side and 5 on the other side. Personally I found that this is the best number of braids that gives me the best definition. So yeah, I'm just doing the same process. You apply the leave-in, then you apply the buttercream hydrator, then the styler, generous amounts to make sure that your hair is really saturated with the products and very soft. And as you can see, I'm also braiding very firmly. Whenever I do braid out, I braid super firmly, and whenever I get to the ends, I split the hair into two depending on the thickness of the braid. Then I twist one half on the perm rod and I twist the other half around the perm rod. Make sure that you apply your styler at the ends to smooth your hair down so that your hair is super defined. So as you can see, like I told you guys before, I switched to smaller perm rods to give my hair better definition, and I have 5 braids on the left and I'm doing 5 braids on the right as well. If you're using ENTWINE products, make sure that you use these 3 products in this order. I'm telling you, it gives you the best results. And for my 2 front braids, I normally braid them cornrow style, and I will show you guys why later on in the video when I'm separating. So the other ones I do like single braids, but for the 2 front ones you braid them cornrow style. I know my cornrow is ugly, I know, I don't know how to cornrow, but at least it gets the job done. And yeah, I apply my 2 perm rods at the ends as usual. So this is the finished result. As you can see, I braided the front in a middle part because that's how I want my hair to lay. If you want a side part, braid your hair in a side part. So now I'm trying to take down my hair, and I'm applying the argan oil. It's 100% raw and vegan as well. 2 pumps is enough. Then yeah, you rub it on your hands to use it to take down your hair so you don't cause frizz. I start by taking out the perm rods, and as you can see, the ends are super defined and very smooth. Next I'm just taking down the braids. As you guys will see in the video, I have a lot of definition from the style. Like when I was doing my hair, I knew my style was going to come out really nice because of the way the products felt in my hair. It gave my hair a lot of moisture, so my hair was really soft and malleable to mold into the braid out style that I wanted it to mold So as you can see, I'm taking down the front part, and because I did a cornrow style, I wouldn't really have to go back in and fluff. And you know, sometimes fluffing can make you lose definition. So since I don't have to fluff because I did a cornrow style, all my definition in the front part of my hair will remain intact. I don't know if that makes any sense, but if you don't understand what I mean, just ask me down in the comment section and I'll explain. But yeah, this is my definition around my head. As you can see, my hair is super defined just from these products. And if you look closely, you'll see some white residue in my hair. That was one thing I did not like about the products. They left some white residue. I wasn't sure why, but next time I use, I'll check and see if I get the same issue. But now I'm just unraveling my hair, and I've unraveled the left side. As you can see, it's really big and fluffy, and I still have a lot of definition compared to the other side that I haven't unraveled yet. You guys can see the difference. So now I'm just unraveling the rest of my hair, and I'm going to use a white tooth comb to pick my roots to give myself more volume. The white residue will actually start to melt off 5 to 10 minutes after you take down your hair. But another issue I had with the products is that they don't really do well with humidity. So if it's humid outside, especially if your hair is in the 4B, 4C region and you go outside, your hair will revert and it will not last as long as you want it to. But other than that though, I was really impressed by the definition and volume I got from these products, and I really loved how my braid out turned out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. My choker is from Ashodara. I really love their chokers. They have really nice chokers on their website. I'll leave all the information down below and on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below, or click on my face right here to subscribe. Don't forget to also check my other suggested videos. I'll be popping up on your screen right now on this side. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.